Duplicates can ruin your report. Let's clean them up. I have James Smith listed 3 times here. I will show you how to delete them and how to extract a unique list. Method 1. The cleaner. Select your data. Go to Data, Data Cleanup. Remove duplicates. Click Remove. Done. This is great, but it deletes your original data permanently. What if you want to keep the original but see a clean list? Method 2. The unique function. Type equals. Unique, open parenthesis. Select your whole column, close parenthesis, enter. Now you have a dynamic list of unique values. If I add another duplicate to the main list, the unique list ignores it. Perfect. Subscribe for more Sheets tips.